The thing that my students most ask me about that doesn't have to do with class material is, what am I going to do with my life? And I ask those same questions to myself and to my mentors, and I think that the world is changing right now, right? Where on the one hand we have all this unemployment, on the other hand we have people that are busier than they've ever been. How does that happen? And I think it's because the nature of our work and the nature of our existence as human beings these days is just in flux. And one of my mentors told me that in the past we've thought of our careers as like a cake. And what it is like now is like a cupcake. So instead of having a cake, you have a dozen cupcakes. And so in a way, we've got this bit of a schizophrenic identity because you may be doing all these different things, but in a way, that's not necessarily, in the past, I think that might have been a sign of indecision or a sign of lack of commitment. I think now, that the world is changing towards being able to envision that as creating an almost constellation of our career. So the constellation, that's all those little points of light that make us who we are, as opposed to just being just one thing. So I would tell college students, don't worry about being that one thing. Worry about making sure that you keep several lights alive, and to not be afraid of doing that. There's no like cathedral of consciousness where there's like one way to live.